My name is Ojo Isaac, the manager of Prestaria Concept, located at Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I will be showing you and talking about how to post vendor's credit memo. Vendor's credit memo. When your company buys goods from the vendor and receive the goods into store, now discover that there are some problems with it. Either is overstated or understated, or rather is damaged. Your company will then return the goods to the vendor. You are receiving it. Because you are receiving, the goods in the store will have been increased. Now, when you use vendor's credit memo, it will now reduce the goods in the store, and also the vendor will now be credited with some money. That is to say, it will now be owing your organization. Vendor will now be debited with that amount of money. Means that the vendor will now be owing your organization until when it will be utilized, or he will pay to the bank and issue you a deposit slip of payment. So how do we do that? In Sage 50 is what I want to show you now. So let's go to the case study and look at the questions we have there. Okay, look at the question: how to post vendor's credit memo. How to post vendor's credit memo. Okay, so we start with the question: how to post vendor's credit memo. The date: start 1st of January 2020. The purchasing manager returned the following products to Johnson K. Johnson K, the supplier: Edison DVD 4 gig, 10 pieces was returned to Johnson K. Sony CD 700 MB, 20 pieces was returned to Johnson K. Okay, so let us note the products, the balances in the store before it was returned to Johnson K. Go to reports. From reports here, we select from the drop down, we select inventory reports. From inventory report display, we select inventory stock status report. Then we look at the products and the quantity that are remaining. Okay, so look at it there. Edison DVD 4 gig, 4 gigabyte. We have 2,840 remaining. So after we have returned, we are removing 10 from here. It will become 2,830. Okay, so the same thing that will happen to this very one, Sony CD 700 MB. After we have returned it, 20 will be less from here. Now presently it is 970. After we have returned 20, it will become 950. Okay, so let's post it now. So let's follow this step. Go to task. From task menu, from the drop down, we select vendor's credit memo, vendor credit memo here. So from the display, we now select vendor ID, then look for the particular vendor. So the question from the case study says what? The purchasing manager return the following products to Johnson K. So Johnson K is the vendor now. So we select Johnson K. Yes, Johnson K. Then the date of return 31st. We select 31st. Then the due date is already there. So we look at again the credit memo. The credit memo number 0023. Okay, so then we now enter the quantity. The quantity, the first one is 10, which is Edison DVD Edison DVD, this very one, yeah, 10 quantity was returned. Then followed by the second one, 20 pieces. So that is a Sony CD 700 MB. So you can see that they have been posted 20 pieces. It's already there. So the total will now become 11,000 naira that will be that will appear on this credit memo. And after that, we will check it also on the account of John C.K. We're going to see this amount being reduced from, in his account. Okay. Now, let's go there. So, we check everything if it's properly set, and we click on save. You can save it also, and after that, you will check the effect on the reports. Okay, so we go to reports to check the effects. We click on reports. From reports and forms. From the drop down, we select inventory. From the inventory drop down, we select inventory stock station report. So we check the first one, everything, the DVD. Look at it. Everything DVD it has reduced, was 40 there. Sorry, it is now 2830. So it has reduced by 10. So the other one is Sony DVD, Sony CD, 700 MB. So it is now 950. It was 970 before. So it has reduced by 20. So which means what you posted is correct. After we have checked the effect on the stock account, that is the inventory account. So the next thing we will do is to check the effect also on the vendors account. So let's go to report, click on report. Then from there, we'll select accounts payable. On accounts payable report, on the drop down, we'll select vendor ledger. The vendor ledger will look for John C.K. This is John C.K., the vendor who supplies these goods. Then look at him, that is it. So this is the credit memo that we issued to him. That is the credit memo. Then we return the goods to him, and the value is 11,000 naira. So you can see the effect here, minus 11,000 naira. So that this very amount is being owned by the vendor is owing the organization this amount and is bound to pay. It means that he will pay this money any moment he gets the fund to do so. So this is the effect on this very particular report. So this is how to post vendors credit memo. I sincerely urge you to share and like this very particular video and subscribe so that in subsequent video you will be alerted, and from there you will be given good information. Thank you.